guide you through the process of Adisu Scholarship. So first of all, we'll go to the Adisu Scholarship website. Here in the Adisu Scholarship website, you'll find this area student type where you'll get into the portal of student reserved area. First of all, you translate this website. Now everything is in English, so you can read it. And now into the login now for student area, you will reach to the portal where you can register yourself for the scholarship. Now check in this box and then create your uh, user ID and password for Adisu Umbria Scholarship. Click I agree. Here you can file in your personal data. First of all, citizenship, whatever it goes with you. I have dual citizenship. No. I have a valid Indian Italian document, identity document. No. Surname, whatever goes with you. Select your gender, your birth date, your country of birth, um, place of birth according to your passport. Do I have a tax code? No. See, if you don't have a tax code, they'll automatically generate you a tax code from here. Copy this and save it somewhere. Now, you can type in the tax code that we have saved earlier and the password that you have kept. Okay. Select I agree. Can select English here. For province, select foreign country. Now we come to the application for service. Here, if we go, we can select a scholarship request and we can request for the scholarship. Firstly, translate this to English. Select yes for this and accept for this. Check in this box. Save and continue. Check in this box. Save and continue. For this, since we don't have an IBAN account, we have to create it once we reach to Italy and provide it to their portal. So for this, select the last option, that you will provide the IBAN account. For here, you can select if you want to get the scholarship annually or half yearly. Select for scholarship. For me, I'll go with half yearly. And select your condition. For me, I'm an on-site student, since I need accommodation on the site of this university. Registration status, yes, to be registered within the deadline set out by the competition announcement. Yes, check in these box. Select your university. For me, it's Perugia. Select your faculty. For here, study year, first year only, and in progress. Student number, we don't have it now. Year of enrollment. Type in your year of enrollment and the year which you are enrolling in. This will also be 2024. Total academic year will be 1. Select not to have for all this, not to be defaulted. Not career as already has a position. No. No. Now for this as well. No. No. For this, check-in family unit reside abroad. Everything is from abroad also. Not and stateless student. Fill all these details according to your conditions, because for me these are not applicable. You can check in your country list here. If your country doesn't fall in this list, you can select not to be. If your country fall in this list, then you can select to be. For me, it's not to be. Check for this one, you'll select the first option, since you'll be providing your family composition details from up till October 2024. Now all your details have been filed in. You can select save and continue. Check this box and select confirm. Go back to home. Your scholarship request have been filed in. You can see in the receipt area. And now for accommodation, we'll Select this area. Yes, accept, save and continue. Perugia, location, residential location, select accordingly. Not to be a yes, not to be. Select not to be to all three. Save and continue. Site declared. So you can see your accommodation and scholarship have been filed in. Now for the canteen facilities, this has not been activated yet. You can, when your application will be activated, you can opt for this scholarship for canteen. So here is how you submit your scholarship details. Thank you for watching.